AdvanLED presents our LED lighting project for a luxurious residential, the AIRA Residence, Damansara Heights. The AIRA Residence is a luxury condominium conveniently and prestigiously situated at the top of Jalan Batai in the coveted lands of Damansara Heights. AdvanLED was given the trust to equip this residential with our exclusive LED lighting. These residential are divided into two towers, Tower A, which have three categories of houses: standard, garden, and penthouse, while Tower B with two categories, standard and penthouse. This LED lighting fitting project commenced in December 2019 and was perfected in December 2020, where it took 1 year to complete 159 units of the houses located in both of the towers. There are three core processes to complete this LED lighting project, starting with the designing process, where our engineers will design and select the best types of lighting that are suitable for each area. With our in-house production capabilities, AdvanLED is committed to manufacturing all the LED lightings needed for the AIRA residence. To complete the project, our professional team of engineers and technicians dedicated to install all the lightings in each of the houses. The LED lighting products consist of our LED downlight that came with the 7-watt, 10-watt, and 12-watt versions. To complement the LED downlight, our LED spotlight was a good pair to it, producing a more sensational effect in the houses. Exclusivity is the key in these luxurious houses. Therefore, our LED strip gave a very saturated and punch color effect in the background. In the private elevator, our square LED downlight was installed on top of the elevator roof, emitting bright and soothing lights. The bathroom area is equipped with our wall fitting light, giving an elegant look to the bathroom ambience. The AIRA residence now has the most exclusive and elegant LED lighting, suitable for the luxurious looks it offers. All these were made possible with the expertise of AdvanLED in the LED lighting. AdvanLED, your one-stop LED solutions provider.